Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to put the same header on each page in Excel. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Excel workbook where you want to add the header. For this tutorial, we'll use a sample workbook. Now, go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click on Print Titles. A page setup dialog box will appear. Go to the Sheet tab. Here, you'll see options to set rows and columns to repeat on each printed page. Click on the box next to Rows to Repeat at top. Then, select the row that you want to repeat as the header on each page. For this example, we'll select Row 1. After selecting the row, click OK. Now, let's check the print preview to see how it looks. As you can see, the header row is now repeated at the top of each page. This makes it much easier to read and understand your data. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.